Days 1 through 4, that was just warm-up. Your body was preparing, adapting, struggling, then breakthrough. But day 5. Day 5 is different. Day 5 is when your body stops adapting and starts dominating. Athletes call it the zone. Scientists call it metabolic optimization. I call it the sweet spot, and you just entered it. Watch what happens when your body hits peak performance mode. Here's what nobody tells you about day 5. Endurance athletes deliberately fast to hit this state before competition. Biohackers use it for peak cognitive performance. Ancient traditions knew it, modern science now proves it. Your growth hormone is surging. Your brain clarity is maxing out. Your fat burning in overdrive, and 90% of people quit fasting before they reach this golden window. You didn't quit. Now I'm going to show you exactly what you unlocked. Stop right here. If this is your first time watching my Ramadan series, you just discovered something most people never find. I break down every day of Ramadan like this: cellular level, 3D anatomy, zero fluff. Day 6 drops tomorrow, showing growth hormones muscle building surge. Day 7 reveals autophagy's anti-aging secrets. This is insider knowledge, free, daily, but only if you subscribe and hit that bell right now. Tap subscribe below, hit the bell, select all notifications. Because missing day 6 means missing the growth hormone explanation that changes everything. Do it now. I'll wait 3 seconds. Done. You're in. Welcome to the inner circle. Now let me show you your day 5 body. Let's start with the most powerful change, growth hormone. Your pituitary gland, this tiny structure at the base of your brain, is now flooding your bloodstream with growth hormone. We're talking 300 to 500% higher than baseline. Watch these GH molecules pulse out, traveling through your blood to every tissue. This isn't just growth, it's preservation, repair, and metabolic optimization all at once. Here's why this matters. Normally, fasting could break down muscle for energy. Not on day 5. Growth hormone creates a protective shield around your muscle tissue. It tells your body, don't touch the muscle, burn fat instead. Watch this: muscle fiber GH receptors activate, triggering protein synthesis pathways even while fasting. Your muscles are being preserved, possibly even primed for growth when you refeed. And here's the beautiful part: that same growth hormone accelerates fat breakdown. It triggers hormone sensitively posse in your fat cells. Watch these enzymes break down stored fat into free fatty acids. Those fatty acids flood your bloodstream, heading to mitochondria for burning. GH is basically telling your body, we have all the fat fuel we need. Use it, preserve the muscle, optimize everything. This is body recomposition in real time. Growth hormone doesn't stop at muscle and fat. It's repairing tissues throughout your body. Skin collagen production increases. Bone density improves. Connective tissues strengthen. Immune function enhances. Some researchers call it the anti-aging hormone, and you just naturally spiked it 5x without any injections. Your body is literally in repair and renewal mode right now. Your brain on day 5 is operating at a level most people never experience. Ketones are now your brain's primary fuel, and it loves them. Watch this: prefrontal cortex activity, executive function, decision-making, focus all maxed out. Hippocampus memory formation and recall optimal. Your neurotransmitters are balanced perfectly. Dopamine for motivation, serotonin for mood stability, GABA for calm focus. This is flow state neurochemistry. This mental clarity translates to everything. Work productivity: you're getting more done in less time with better quality. Reading cure: you're absorbing meaning, not just reciting words. Prayer focus: your mind isn't wandering. Night worship: you have energy and presence. The cognitive upgrade supports your spiritual practice. This is exactly what Ramadan was designed to facilitate. If you're experiencing this clarity and you're not subscribed, you're missing the other 25 days. Each day I break down what's happening in your body with this level of detail. Tomorrow, day 6, I'm revealing how your gut microbiome is transforming trillions of bacteria shifting to support your health. Day 7. Cardiovascular adaptations. Day 8. Stem cell activation. Every single day, new transformations, all free. But you need to subscribe and turn on notifications or YouTube won't show you the next one. Don't miss the rest of your Ramadan biology. Subscribe now. Now let's go microscopic. Your gut houses 100 trillion bacteria, your microbiome. Day 5 is when the fasting-induced shift becomes dramatic. Beneficial bacteria Akkermansia, Lactobacillus, Bifidobacterium, they thrive during fasting. Harmful inflammatory bacteria, they starve. Watch this ecosystem transform. Diversity increasing. Beneficial strains multiplying. Your gut lining healing. This microbiome shift affects everything from immunity to mood to metabolism. Here's what's wild. Your gut bacteria communicate with your brain through the vagus nerve and chemical signals. As your microbiome improves, this gut-brain communication gets clearer. Better bacteria produce better neurotransmitter precursors. 90% of your serotonin is made in your gut, so that mood stability you're feeling. Partly thanks to your happier gut bacteria, your digestive health is your mental health.